Okay, let's talk about this. So joining me once again, we have the civil rights attorney, Joe Richardson, but also joining us is criminal defense attorney Josh Ritter, who's part of the True Crime Daily podcast. Josh, it's good to see you. A very interesting line of cross-examination. This is the defense's moment because this has been such an important witness for the prosecution, delivering devastating testimony for the defense. What are you making of the cross right now? Are there any parts that are salient to you, that are really sticking for you?
It's really dense and detailed medical questioning and testimony, and she obviously has an incredible grasp of it. She understands all the numbers, all the details. The problem are the jurors understanding it as well as she is, and that's not really so much an issue for the defense as much as it's an issue for the prosecution. If you're the prosecution, you want these jurors over the last few weeks to have become, short little experts on medical testimony and understanding kind of this care before transitioning into death. If you're the defense, you're hoping that they understand the points you're making, but you don't necessarily need them to understand all of this, because if they can't piece this all together, then the default position should go back to not guilty. So I think she's scoring some points here. Obviously, his testimony, the prior days to this, I think was pretty devastating to the defense. But she's scoring some points, especially when she's talking about things like motive. Can you nail down his motive here? And that's really got to be the bell that the defense continues to ring. Is okay, fine. Maybe these were some dosages of medication that other doctors may not have given, but why? Why would he be doing this? And if they can't answer that question as the prosecution, I still think they have some major problems.